Hi, I'm Benny. I am one of the staff engineers at the Rutgers Water Resources Program.
I'm Aaliyah. I'm also one of the engineers at the Water Resources Program.
And where are we today?
Today we are at Highland Park at Bartle Elementary School building a rain garden.
Hmm.
We picked the location of this rain garden after consulting with the school because one of the most important things is selecting a good impervious cover site to collect the runoff from. And here we have the roof of the school. And as you can see, there are many downspouts that come from the top that bring the water down and it discharges. And we chose this spot because it was in an open area without much shade, so the plants we put there can grow adequately, and it's kind of out of the way and not as secluded as other spots. And make sure everything is smooth and straight. One important thing about rain gardens is you have to remember water goes down. So we want to make sure there's no local spots where water could get trapped or that water won't be as caught in storage as it will.
Right now, we have finished excavating it, so the rain garden is ready to be filled in with bioretention media and mulch, and we also have laid out the piping. So as you can see behind me, we have also laid out the cleanouts, and that will just allow us to have access to the pipes in case there's any blockages we need to clear out in the future.
All right. Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Alina.